Machiegni riwruok mar tuke mag basketball e pachoka NBA nigi chenro mar chako basketball mar rowere e pachoka mangima. Jagoro maduong' mar National Basketball Federation Angela Luchivia owacho ni maeri dhi bedo okang' mokwongo mar bero tugono e pachokae. Jataa tije mar Basketball Africa Claire Kamanzi olero ni gin gi paro mar medo bero tugono e Afrika ka gigero kuonde tuge maromo 1,000 kama Kenya dhi yudo thuolo 100 e kind 1,000 go.
Support collaboration. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Well, we're developing basketball in Kenya, but also in Africa at different levels. The first level is to get access to the game by kids at a young age. And to do that, we're entering, just like we've done in Kenya, into agreements or MOUs with the Ministry of Sports and Education so that we can introduce curriculum for basketball in the different schools.
The facilities are pretty simple and straightforward to build, and so we need another mass participation sport on the continent, and basketball, I think, is that as the second most popular team sport in Africa.